Hello, viewers. Welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics, still on BECE 2025. This is question 4B. A father shared his piece of land to his three children. The first child had 2/5 of the land, and the second child had 5 acres more than the first one. So if the third child had 20 acres, we have to find the number of acres the father shared, what the first child and the second child would receive. So looking at this, we can create an equation out of it. We are looking for total acres of land. Then first child, second child, the third child. If you add all their part of land they receive, that should be equal to exactly what the father shared. So we can start by saying that we let total acres of land be what? T. Let's T be the total acres of land. So if T is the total acres of land, then we can say that first child what does the first child receive? Receive 2/5 of the land. 2/5 of means multiplication, meaning 2/5 times the t. I can still just put a t there by multiplication. Then let's go for the second child. Then we can say second child is receiving 5 more acres than what the first child received. The first child received this 5 more, meaning 5 added to this. That is 2 out of 5 times t plus what? 5. Then don't forget the third child. Receive just 20 acres. So this is the total number of acres, all in acres. All these are in acres. So first person plus the second person plus the third person's land. When we put all together, it should be equals to the total number of acres the father shared. So this will imply that we can have our equation. Let's see, 2/5 of t plus 2/5 of t plus 5. This is showing that for the second child plus the third child, all will give us what? The total land the father shared. So how do we do this? We can do it in so many ways. I can see that this is a fraction, tt. I look at the coefficient, 2/5. That becomes 4/5. So as we'll be having 4/5 of t plus 5 plus this is also 25 equals to t. I can still decide to multiply through by 5, which is the LCM or group like terms, as in 25 equals to t minus 4/5 of t. T is having a coefficient of 1 here. So 1 minus 4/5, that will give you 1/5. So as we'll be having 25 equals to 1/5 of what? T. So here I can multiply by 5 to have t equals to 5 times this, that is 125. So we can say that therefore total acres of land that the father shared is going to be 125 acres. That's the big farm that they had. Then now we can now think of what the first child. So where is the first part of the question? So we see this is the Roman number 1. Then Roman number 2, we are looking for first child. Will receive 2/5 of t, and t is now 125. And I think this will go here, 25 times 2, 50. So we have 50 acres. So it means that the first child will take 50 acres, the third child take what? 20 acres, then the remaining goes to the second child. We can perform that subtraction or we can still substitute in here. So let's see how we can find that. So for the Roman number 3, second child will receive 2/5 of 125, I think plus 5. Let's move it down. 2/5 of 125 plus 5. This is going to give you 50, right? Plus 5, that's what? 55, right? So we have 55 acres. Remember, when we add 55 and 50, that's what? 105. Plus the 20, 125 acres. So this is one way by which we can arrive at the answer using simple linear equation involving word fraction. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and bye-bye.